start. May I say for my personal reference that my distinguished friend did not mention this point in his speech. He mentioned other points but not this one. He mentioned 2 or 3 points. One is that budget deficits have been reduced to manipulations and require the public sector enterprises to make advance payment of loans. Perhaps he mentioned this point. Am I correct? My friend perhaps is referring to repayment of loans to two fertilizer companies. Now, what happened is that these companies were to finance a part of the plan outlays of certain other fertilizer companies by direct loans to those companies. They were helping other companies by giving direct loans, but because of procedural difficulties, it was decided that they will pay the loans through the central government. Therefore, on the one hand, the loans were given to the government, on the other, the government gave exactly those amounts to those companies which were to get those loans. So, on the one hand, it was a receipt on the central government side, on the other, expenditure. So, there was a nil balance. It did not go to make up the deficit which the honorable member has said. I thought that being a good economist, you would know that it is not always that we should follow the dictum of Lord Churchill, that it is the duty of the opposition always to oppose the government and sometimes not to congratulate also. I thought he should have congratulated or at least encouraged me a step. If he would have said that we tried to limit the deficit of the current year to the best of my ability, and if he would have patted my back to this extent, I would have managed the deficit next year also. This year, we tried to fulfill the promise made by the Prime Minister that we will adhere to the deficit of rupees 5,000 crores. In spite of drought conditions, in spite of our increasing defense expenditure, in spite of increased expenditure on subsidy, in spite of increased burden of dearness allowances, we tried to keep it within manageable limits as promised by the Prime Minister. Regarding administered prices, my dear friend and colleague has already mentioned in some detail about it. But I say that this is a commercial decision taken by the concerned enterprises to adjust for the increases in costs. Stop.